Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a video on stop sign detector and scratch, thanks to the Steamus for this method. Alright, first get the one flag click block and a forever loop, and that's in control, and go down to sensing and get a reset timer button or block. Now go back to events and then go to get this when loudness is greater than 10 block and set this to 0. And then put this to timer, and I will just get 2 blocks just for show. I'll get this block and this block. Alright, let's try it. So click the green flag, switches to this costume. Click the stop sign, he switches to that costume. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.